what if you were told you could stay awake forever with no consequences? The terrifying legend of the Russian sleep experiment explores this very question. This story has captivated millions online, even though it's almost certainly a work of fiction. The story, which first appeared on the internet in the early 2000s, is set in the 1940s. According to the tale, Soviet researchers wanted to understand the physical and mental limits of prolonged sleep deprivation. Their goal was allegedly to create a soldier who could fight for days without needing rest. The experiment supposedly involved 5 political prisoners who were sealed in a chamber filled with a stimulant gas. They were provided with all the food, water, and books they could need, but were denied the one thing their bodies craved most: sleep. Researchers observed them through microphones and a large window. After just a few days, things began to unravel. The subjects became increasingly paranoid and started exhibiting severe psychological distress. They stopped talking to each other and instead whispered to the microphones and one-way mirror. The story describes them becoming horrifically violent towards one another, ultimately leading to a gruesome outcome that the researchers discovered upon entering the chamber. The controversy around this experiment is simple. There is no credible evidence it ever happened. Historians have found no records, and the science of the described gas doesn't hold up. It's widely considered a piece of masterfully crafted creepypasta. The controversy lies in its disturbing nature and its ability to blur the line between fact and frightening fiction. Despite being a myth, the story teaches us a very real and powerful lesson about the non-negotiable importance of sleep. It dramatizes a core scientific truth. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a biological necessity for our mental and physical health. Without it, our cognition, mood, and sanity rapidly deteriorate. So, how do we apply this to our daily lives? We must stop glorifying being busy and sleep-deprived. Prioritize your rest as critically as you prioritize your diet or exercise. Turn off the screens, create a calm bedtime routine, and give your brain the time it needs to recharge. Your mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall health depend on it. Remember, sometimes the most productive thing you can do is get a good night's sleep. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.